usual, I use the term extremely loosely. Welcome back to the shop. I guess technically we're not in the shop. We are in the office at the world headquarters. The Office of Distribution, Procurement, and Sales Director, Pegatha at IronHeadCycle. Anyway, Pegatha sits in here every day, and that fan blows on her. You could see she's got one thing on her mind. And a sick little mind it must be, huh? Anyway, we're sitting here in the head office. Just to kind of give you a little look around there, if IronHeadCycle has got something for sale in its eBay store, it goes in and out of here. We got all kinds of stuff piled up over there. We got stuff piles of parts over there. Anyway, you get the idea. International Distribution and Marketing and Procurement Headquarters, Offices of Pegatha. Pegatha's in charge of this shit because she says that I am occasionally a dickhead and that I respond poorly to people when they ask a simple question about some piece of, valuable part that I'm selling. So anyway, she's in charge of all this bullshit. If you buy anything off of eBay at the IronHeadCycle store, you'll be dealing with Pegatha, not me, which is lucky for you because I'm a jackass. Okay, so the question arises, what the fuck is it we're doing here today? Well, I get a lot of batches of parts. I buy and sell this stuff quite frequently, and Pegatha does the research on trying to track down the part numbers, get it on eBay, and get it listed correctly. And she's gotten in the habit of looking for part numbers on these things so that we could get you the right information. Anyway, she stumbled upon this brake backing disc, which looks to me like it's probably a 75 and 76 XLCH brake backing disc, on account of the ones that's got the cable when they did that right to left side swap over with the shifting and the braking. Anyway, she had this thing and she was looking at it, and on the back of it over here there's a number, and the number happens to be 436588235, it looks like. And she says to me, you know, that does not look like a Harley number. And I says, you know, you're right, that is not a Harley number at all. I says, that looks like somebody's social security number. So just for shits and giggles, we punched that into the internet. You punch that in, right, Peg? And what'd you find on that when you punch it in?
Social security number of a man by the name of Charles E. Lyons, Lyons. He could have gone by the name of Boogie, Boogie. He was born April 14th, 1942, died at the age of 60 on November 10th, 2002, in or near Livingston, Louisiana, and he lived in Plaquemine, I'm probably not saying that correctly, Louisiana. I cannot find an obituary about him anywhere, not yet. And I'm curious as to what kind of motorcycle he had.
Anyway, I find this very interesting because Pegatha also said to me, what in the fuck is the guy putting a social security number on a part for? Well, the part was chrome at one time. And back when I was a much younger man, and guys would send stuff off to get it chrome plated, to make sure you got the same shit back, a lot of times guys would put an identifying number on the back. So here, apparently, good old Chuck Lyons put his social security number on the back. And this kind of opens up a whole little bit of history. You know, we know who the guy was, we know where he was born, where he died. But you know, when I deal with these parts, you kind of become a bit of a part archaeologist. And you know, I'm holding here a piece of a guy's, you know, living history. Apparently this dude, you know, went through some considerable time and expense. He got these parts on his bike chromed. I'm sure this wasn't the only thing. There was probably a whole batch of it. You know, the chrome is long since peeled off. It's turned into kind of a piece of crap. Somehow or another, the bike, you know, got dismantled, taken apart, parts got bought and sold and whatever. And pretty soon it ends up in my shop, and I've got this thing for sale. why am I talking about this? Well, you know, a lot of people think I'm a kind of a rude old bastard. And, you know, I do have a little bit of a sentimental heart, you know, for a guy who put his sweat and his labor into something like this. So, I don't know, I just thought I wanted to share that with you all. You know, the other thing on here I didn't mention before is there's some more engraving on top of the Social Security number. And now that I know his name is Lyons, it looks like the rest of the engraving is his last name. It's a little, you know, a little corroded, a little beat up, but it definitely is the same guy. The numbers match. I don't know if he's got any surviving relatives or not. I don't know if he's got any family members who maybe have got a picture of him on this bike. I don't know if he's got any family members which held this maybe with a little special fondness or whatever. Yeah, I'm sad to say the bike is long gone, but here's a piece of it. Anybody knows Charles E. Lyons from Plaquemine, Louisiana, April 1942 to November 2002. I got a piece of his bike here. I'd like to reunite it with a family member if anybody's interested. So I'm going to hang on to this thing. What did you find possible relatives there, you thought?
Yes, his wife, who died several years ago. Her name was Artie. She died several years ago.
Any kids there listed? You got any kids?
Several kids.
Read off the names of the kids there, will you, Pegatha? She's got to click like a million buttons over there.
He was supposedly married to Artie, A-R-T-I-E, May, M-A-E, Blanchard Lyons, L-Y-O-N-S. She died in 2013. And she had an extended family. It would take a while to read everybody's name.
Alright, well anyway, y'all got enough to go on. So anybody who claims to be a relative of Chuck Lyons, get a hold of me through my website. I'll put the link down below in the comments over here. And I don't know, if you want a piece of your dad's, uncle's, whoever's old motorcycle, I got what's left of it over here. Wish I knew where the rest of the bike was. Alright, and one last final thought. You know, every day I come in here and old Pegatha has you know what on her mind. We're going to fix that today because, you know, she should be thinking of that shit all the time. It's going to warp her brain. IronHeadCycle now has stickers available. I'll put the contact link down in the comments below. If you want a sticker, hit the subscribe button and send me an email over the contact link. I'll send you a sticker. I am out of here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see y'all later. Bye.